Dear classmates and tutor, I hope you're doing well. My name is Mario Pizarro. I am going to be your host today for task number 2 called Phonetic Features for tutor Jennifer Vanessa Murcia for the subject Phonetics and Phonology. Have you ever wondered? Have you ever wondered why some words that have the same letter or vowel they might sound different? Let's see a couple of examples. Cup, place, chocolate, ache. It could be weird, but trust me, this has a reason for it. Let's take another look. We have three different words with the same four letters, but when we pronounce them, they have a totally different way of saying them. We have though, we have thought, and we have cough. Why would this be? Why is this happening? Well, this is because even if there are 26 letters in the alphabet, it has 44 different sounds. Here we see an example of how they suggest we should be pronouncing each one. What if we go one by one and check them out? I, I. We can find it in words such as hit, sink, bit, which, disc. This is a long vowel sound which is said E. We can find it in words such as meet, eat, beach, sheet, believe. The vowel sound you'll hear it in words such as book, cook, sugar. Now we have the longer vowel sound You can hear it in words like you, to, shoe, who, computer. Now we have the short vowel sound that we can hear it in words like egg, 10, left, excellent. Now we have the vowel uh, which is considered like a lazy sound kind of vowel, and it's pretty common in English. So here are some examples of its use. Uh, today, teacher, the, around. Now we have uh, as in her, word, first, work, bird. This would be one of those cases where even if we have a totally different set of vowels in our word, the way that we pronounce their sound are quite similar. We have her, first, work. They have completely different vowels, letters, but even if that is the case, the way we pronounce them is quite similar. Now we have the sound uh. You can hear this in words such as or, for, but, perform, saw. Moving now to the next set of vowels, we have the sound a. A. You can hear this in words like tat, flat, compact, that. We continue now with the word a. Then you can identify it in words such as cup, but, butter, truck. We move now to the longer vowel sound a, a. We can see this in words like far, part, heart. Finally, we have the and we can see it in words like not, on, lock, got, forgot. We are going to now move to a specific part of this recording which doesn't focus as much as we had, but is really important to highlight how we pronounce these sounds. Diphthongs are sounds that change from one vowel sound into another, but they are in the same syllable. So the idea now is that we're going to see how we can pronounce each one of these. Ia, ea, ua, ow, o, a, I, oi. We now move to the consonant sounds. We're going to divide this into two categories. One would be invoice and the other ones would be voiced. Invoice means that you don't make any sound using any kind of vowel, and whilst voiced ones usually sound very close to the sound of a vowel. Let's see some examples. P, t, ch, s, sh, k, h, b, v, d, v, j, dz, j, g, mm, 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 o, w, y. Thank you for joining me for today's episode. I hope you had enjoyed it. Honestly, some of the sounds are quite different, quite weird for me. I felt like I was a Wookiee, like Chewbacca, or maybe like a Pokemon tried to do some of these sounds, but I find it really interesting. Thank you for this space. Farewell.